Friends, subscribe this channel for more videos. Also press on the bell icon for notifications on the next videos. So let us start. So firstly, what is compound interest? And there are some important concepts which are involved in compound interest. So firstly, we will see concept in compound interest. So the one of the most important concepts are given here. Principal. What is principal? The sum borrowed is called as the principal. When we take a loan from a bank, so this amount is called as a principal. When we deposit some money in the bank is called as a principal. Then rate of interest, the rate at which the sum is borrowed or the sum is deposited in the bank, which is called as rate of interest. Next one, term or period, which is also called as time period. So the time or period for which the sum is borrowed or a sum of money is deposited in the bank. Next one, amount. Amount is the total of principal plus interest. The total sum written by the borrower is called as the amount. So we can calculate amount as principal plus interest or compound interest. So amount is the principal together with interest. So these are the important concepts which are used in the calculation of compound interest. Now, the meaning of compound interest. When interest is added to the principal at the end of each interval or each period, and the total so obtained is treated as principal for the next period or next interval, then the interest so obtained is called as compound interest. So students, कंपाऊंड इंटरेस्ट इट मीन्स म्हणजे त्यालाच मराठीमध्ये चक्रवाढ व्याज म्हणतात. चक्रवाढ व्याज म्हणजेच काय, तर व्याजावरती जेव्हा आणखी व्याज आकारणी होते तर त्याला चक्रवाढ व्याज म्हणतात. म्हणजे एका विशिष्ट कालावधीसाठी आपण व्याज आकारणी केलेली आहे आणि ते व्याज पुन्हा मुद्दलामध्ये मिळवलं आणि त्यानंतर जेव्हा पुढच्या कालावधीसाठी व्याज आकारणी केली जाते तेव्हा त्याला कंपाऊंड इंटरेस्ट म्हणजे चक्रवाढ व्याज आकारणी असं म्हटलं जातं. सर्वसाधारण अर्थ आपल्याला अशा पद्धतीने सांगता येईल. नेक्स्ट, हाऊ टू कॅल्क्युलेट कंपाऊंड इंटरेस्ट. जनरली कंपाऊंड इंटरेस्ट कंपाऊंडेड इयरली, हाफ इयरली, क्वार्टरली अँड मंथली. बट इन दिस व्हिडिओ वी आर गोइंग टू सी हाऊ टू कॅल्क्युलेट कंपाऊंड इंटरेस्ट कंपाऊंडेड इयरली. हाऊ टू कॅल्क्युलेट कंपाऊंड इंटरेस्ट कंपाऊंडेड हाफ इयरली, कंपाऊंडेड क्वार्टरली, compounded monthly. So I have given a link in the description box. You will see the video on it. Now how to calculate compound interest compounded yearly. If principal is P and the rate of interest is R, period in years for compounded yearly period is given in the year, which is N. Then the amount, it means A, at the end of the period is, what is the formula for amount in compound interest? So amount is equal to P into bracket 1 plus R upon 100 bracket raised to N. Please listen carefully how to read this. If you read this, so you can understand it, you can memorize it. A is equal to, it means amount is equal to P into bracket 1 plus R upon 100 bracket raised to N. So this is the formula to calculate amount in compound interest. Then how to calculate compound interest? So compound interest is equal to A minus P, amount minus principal. What is compound interest? Amount minus principal. When we deduct principal from the amount, then we can get the compound interest. So we know that how to calculate amount. What is the formula for amount? So formula for amount is given here, minus P. So we can take the P common from this formula. So we can get very simple formula to calculate the compound interest. So compound interest is equal to P square bracket 1 plus R upon 100 bracket raised to n minus 1. So we can use this formula to calculate direct compound interest on a particular sum of money. So generally when we calculate the compound interest, we use this formula. So I repeat the formula, how to read this. Compound interest is equal to P into bracket 1 plus R upon 100 bracket raised to n minus 1. By using this formula, we can calculate directly compound interest. Also we can calculate compound interest by using this formula, amount. So how to calculate compound interest? Firstly calculate the amount, then deduct the principal from the amount. So we can get the compound interest. When we calculate the compound interest directly, use this formula. Is that clear? Now we will solve very simple example on it. So the example on compound interest, compounded quarterly, compounded yearly. Find the compound interest on rupees 5,000 at 4% per annum for 5 years. So in this example, what is the question? Find the compound interest. It means here we have to find out the compound interest on rupees 5,000 at 4% per annum for 5 years. In this example, how compound interest is charged is not given. It means it is compounded yearly or half yearly or monthly. When it is not given, so we have to consider it as a compounded yearly. So solve this example as a compound interest compounded yearly. So what is given that? So principal is given rupees 5,000. Terms in years, it means period is given, which is in the form of years, 5 years. Rate of interest is given 4% per annum. So this information is given in the example. And what is the question? Find the compound interest. It means here we have to calculate the compound interest. So solution of this example. What is the formula for compound interest? So write down the formula. Compound interest is equal to P into bracket 1 plus R upon 100 bracket raised to n minus 1. So this is the formula to calculate the compound interest. So put these values in this formula. So compound interest is equal to 5,000 into bracket 1 plus 4 divided by 100 bracket raised to 5 minus 1. Firstly, solve this bracket by using cross multiplication, or you can calculate it on a calculator. Cross multiplication like this: 100 multiplied by 1 plus 4 multiplied by 1. It means 104 divided by 100. So it will be written as like this. So 104 divided by 100, it means 1.04 bracket raised to 5. By using the calculator, scientific calculator, you can directly calculate it. 1.04 bracket raised to, it means you have to press the sign x raised to y in your calculator, or simply in some scientific calculator there is a sign like this. So you can use this sign to calculate the raise to. घातांक कॅल्क्युलेट करण्यासाठी तुम्ही या दोन पैकी एक बटन वापरू शकता. काही कॅल्क्युलेटर वरती असं बटन दिलेलं असतं x raised to y, काही कॅल्क्युलेटर वरती असं अँगल दिलेला असतो, तर एखाद्या संख्येचा घात कॅल्क्युलेट करण्यासाठी हे बटन दाबायचं आणि त्यानंतर त्या संख्येचा कितवा घात म्हणजे 5वा घात कॅल्क्युलेट करायचा असेल तर 5 आणि बरोबरचं चिन्ह दाबायचं. अशा पद्धतीने तुम्ही सायंटिफिक कॅल्क्युलेटरवरती 1.04 ब्रॅकेट रेज टू 5 हे कॅल्क्युलेट करू शकता. सिंपल कॅल्क्युलेटरवरती कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं असेल तर 1.04 मल्टिप्लाइड बाय 1.04 असं 4 टाइम्स मल्टिप्लिकेशनचं साईन आलं पाहिजे आणि 1.04 हे 5 टाइम्स येईल. So in this way we can calculate 1.04 bracket raised to 5. So I am given here, so minus 1, so 0. So 5000 multiplied by 0.2167. so use the calculator to calculate it. So 1083.5. so compound interest is rupees 1083.5. So you can also calculate your own. So in this way we can calculate the compound interest on a particular sum for the given period of time at the given rate of interest. There are some example for practice I am given here. So take a pen and paper to solve this example and comment your answer in the chat box. So examples on compound interest, compounded yearly. So the first example, find the compound interest on rupees 10,000 for 4 years at 5% per annum. Very simple example is given here. So try to solve it on a paper and comment your answer in the chat box. Pause this video for a minute and solve the example. And the answer is we can check the answers in the last. So the second example, find the amount on rupees 5,000 for 4 years at 12% per annum compounded yearly. So here you have to use formula for amount directly to calculate amount. Principal is 5,000, n is 4 years, rate of interest is 12% per annum, compounded yearly. It means you have to use the amount formula for amount in compound interest. Pause this video for a minute, calculate your answer and comment in the chat box. Now the third example, find the compound interest on rupees 10,000 for 6 years at 5% per annum. So here you have to calculate the compound interest on rupees 10,000 for 6 years at 5% per annum. Calculate the compound interest and comment your answer in the chat box. Pause this video for a minute to calculate. You can cross check your answer with this. Answer of question number 1, compound interest is rupees 2,155. Answer of question number 2, amount is equal to rupees 7,867.60. Answer of question number 3, compound interest is rupees 3,400. Please check your answer. If you have any questions, you can comment in the chat box of this video. I will give you answers. For next videos on compound interest, compounded half yearly, quarterly and monthly, subscribe this channel. Also press on the bell icon for notifications of the next videos.